I've developed a motto that I think rings true no matter what, and that it's always worth it. It's always worth it no matter the weather, no matter where you are, what's going on. As long as you're out just enjoying yourself, that is the point, not the final results. So I'm very happy with the results I got, but again, just making the memories and spending time with family and just wandering around such a beautiful place, that's what it's all about. Hi friends, if you're new here, my name is Jonathan. I'm a photographer based in the PNW, and I created this YouTube channel to document a lot of my life, my travels, things that I'm up to, and sprinkle in as many photos as I can. In this video, I'm going to take you guys along with me to the Oregon coast, which is one of my favorite places that I've ever been to with my family, and we just had so much fun. It was mixed weather, but that wasn't going to stop us from just enjoying how beautiful that area is. We rented an Airbnb right on the beach, which was awesome because we had a bunch of dogs with us and a lot of people, and we could not have asked for a better spot. Every time I go down there, it's always a mixed bag of what the weather is going to be like, but I like it in every single condition you can imagine. I have fun shooting digital and film down there. It's really hard to mess up a photo there. It's just such a beautiful place. There's so many inspiring PNW photographers who go to the Oregon coast, so every time I go there, I try to put my spin on it. So I hope you have your coffee or your tea ready. Let's go to Oregon. Beach. It's drizzling, but really pretty outside. Everyone's at home getting cozy, but I wanted to grab a couple frames to check out where we were staying, so took out the M10, got a couple shots. See how they turn out. buoys hanging on the tree and I wanted to capture them. And then I noticed two of our dogs looking at me through a window in the house, and it was such a perfect scene I had to get it. And I was trying really hard to get them to look at me, but I got it. One of the reasons I love the G1 is literally this 90mm lens. I really like telephoto landscapes, so I just had to break it out here, and I was definitely rewarded.
This is Papa Shin cinematography of Jonathan Foster. Nicely done. This is camera setup. I think he's got a 5-iron.
Unloading Ultramax and loading my favorite 48 Hundo. If you know, you know. Sometimes you just need to pull over on the side of the road when you're sent on a pizza pickup run for dinner. I mean, just look at this scene. I had to. These turned out pretty good, and I didn't get hit by a car, so definitely a win-win. Also, the pizza hit the spot, but I just love these. I've developed a motto that I think rings true no matter what, and that it's always worth it. It's always worth it no matter the weather, no matter where you are, what's going on. As long as you're out just enjoying yourself, that is the point, not the final results. So I'm very happy with the results I got, but again, just making the memories and spending time with family and just wandering around such a beautiful place, that's what it's all about. Many more videos coming soon. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.